Hello my dear children, welcome back to your online EVS class. Here we are discussing our 5th chapter, Natural Resources of India. We already completed the topics water, soil, minerals and also fuels. Today we are going to discuss about forest. As you all know, forest is an area covered with different types of trees and other plants. Forest is very useful to us, right, in many ways. So, in this topic, in today's session, we are going to discuss about forest. Let's start.
Forests are useful to us in many ways. Trees take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. Thus, they help us to live. Forests also help bring rain and keep the global temperature moderate. The roots of the trees hold the soil together and thus help prevent soil erosion. Forests provide shelter to different animals and birds. We get timber, firewood, rubber, gum, medicines, food and other products from forests. There are many kinds of forests in India. Evergreen forests are found in warm places with plenty of rainfall. The trees in these forests do not shed all their leaves at the same time. Therefore, these forests always look green. In India, they are mainly found in the northeastern states and in parts of the western Ghats. Rosewood, ebony and mahogany are examples of evergreen trees. Deciduous trees are found in places that have a dry season. The trees shed their leaves during the dry season, giving the forest a bare look. Sal and teak are deciduous trees. These forests are found in the Himalayan foothills and in most parts of central India. Mountain forests have coniferous trees like deodar, fir and pine. These forests are found in the Himalayas. Tidal forests are found in the delta regions of rivers like Ganga, Mahanadi and Godavari, where river water mixes with the sea water. The Sundarbans is a tidal forest. Thorn forests are found in places where there is little rainfall, like Rajasthan and some parts of the Deccan Plateau. Babool, kikar and thorny shrubs grow in these forests. Wildlife. Wildlife refers to all those animals and birds that are found in the wild. India has a rich and diverse wildlife. Animals like the elephant, tiger, lion, langur and rhinoceros, and birds like the peafowl, cormorant, drongo, kingfisher, parakeet, heron and bulbul are found in the wild in India. Thus, India has rich reserves of various natural resources. However, they need to be used carefully and wisely so that future generations can also benefit from them.
So children, we have completed the lesson. Read the lesson. Okay? This lesson is not there for your exam. Still you have to read the lesson. Okay? And revise the EVS topics without fail. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, take care and goodbye.